Children, now we will read this chapter because without reading we cannot attempt any questions. New words we can learn, but without reading you don't know what is there in the chapter. So let's start the reading so that you can able to answer all the given question. Either it is short or long or any clue-based question that you can answer. So let's start. Chapter number 13, page number 74. This is your chapter. Chapter number 13, page number 74. What is written? Travel and communication. Communicate. Communicate. T-R-A-V-E-L, travel and communicate. What is the spelling of communicate? C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-E. Communicate. Okay. Let's start. Means of transport, what I have already discussed by starting the chapter. Means of transport, that is, what is means of transport? We use different vehicles to travel by road, rail, air and water. These are called means of transport. Already you have learned. Now come to road transport. This also we have learned. We use road transport like motor vehicles, cycle or rickshaws to travel by road. Motor vehicles have engines that use petrol or diesel. These are also one thing you have to learn. Some of the vehicles need diesel and petrol to run and some do not need. That also you learn. But road transport. See below many pictures are given of road transport, that is car, cycle, truck, bus, motorcycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. You can see all these are road transport. Here in the below yellow box you can see bullock cart. These all needs either diesel or petrol to run on the road. But these do not need, it does not need any type of petrol or diesel. It can pulled by animals. If it is pulled by horse, then it is called horse cart. If it is pulled by bullock, then it is called bullock cart. That means this is a cart which is pulled by animals. This does not need any diesel or petrol. Okay. Now come to next page, that is page number 75, rail transport. We will read now. Yes. Trains move on rails. A train has an engine. Yes, some of the vehicle, most of the vehicle have engine. Without engine, vehicle cannot run, and that is why diesel and petrols are needed. As I take food to get energy, so petrol and diesel are the food of the vehicle. This gives energy to the vehicle to move, whether it runs on road or railway tracks or in air or in the water. So a train has engine and many coaches. Coaches means the place where you sit one by one. Ticket checker comes and check your ticket, no? So that is called coach. Engine runs on electricity, coal or diesel. Trains moves either on coal or through electricity or by diesel. Okay. Passengers train carrying people from one place to another, and goods train carry goods only. You have seen, no, goods train. There are no passengers. You cannot see passengers there. Only goods they are carrying. That is called goods train. And train which we board in, that is called passenger train. In blue box, one question is given. Name the special train that is used as means of transport within Delhi. Now it is in Kolkata. Also we can see in other cities, also metro cities we can see. What is it called? Metro. Metro. Metro train is, here it will come metro. Okay. And in blue box, one question again, one thing again given. A person who travels is called passenger. That means if we board a train or bus or car, we are called passenger. Many people where travel, that they are called passenger. Now comes to water transport. We use water transport to cross sea, ocean, lake, canal or river. Cargo ship carry heavy loads. Ship, steamer, boat, sailboat are means of water transport. These are called water transport. You have learned already. I have shown you on the board. Okay. Now one more water transport is there in yellow box. Submarine are used by soldiers to travel underwater. Soldiers, they actually try to catch the enemies. So they move in this submarine and it moves under the water so that enemies cannot understand. They do not understand that some people are following them. It can move under the water. Okay. Now come to air transport. We use aeroplane, helicopter to travel by road. They are fastest means of transport. We can reach far countries in a few hours in that. They carry goods. Yes. So this aeroplane and helicopter you have seen. Some of them have also traveled also. So to go to from one place to another. These all are called air transport. Yes, in blue box again given. Do you know what is glider? Yes, glider is also one type of air transport which can move in the air very fast. Okay. Passenger generally cannot board that one. People enjoy to move in glider. Okay. Now turn the page number 76. Special vehicles. These are the special vehicles used for some purposes. You can see. First one is fire brigade. Second one is ambulance. This is used to put out fire. This is used to carry sick people to the hospital. Let's learn. Yes. Here are some vehicles which are used for special purposes. A fire engine carries equipment and firefighters to put out fires. One, ambulance. An ambulance takes sick or injured people to hospital. This you know very well. Now come to these two. Cable car is pulled by a moving metal rope. This is cable car. It is actually used to cross the mountain areas. Mountain areas, there are no roads, no railway tracks, no water support. So people use rope, and within this rope, from one side to another, this cable car help the passenger to cross that mountain areas, between two mountain areas very easily. This is called cable car, or ropeway also you can say. In Gujarat, in Pavagadh you can see this cable car. Okay. This now come to, this is hot air balloon. What is that? A hot air balloon is a large balloon filled with hot air. It is filled with hot air. Why hot air? Because hot heat means hot thing can rise up easily. So filled with hot air that rises in the air easily. It has a basket to carry passenger. Here you can see small basket. Passenger means those who want to sit. He or she will sit here and it will rise up slowly up. Okay. It has a basket to carry passenger and it is used for fun, not for transport. People who wants to enjoy, they can use this hot air balloon. Now some of the numbers are given here. Know these special numbers. You can use them in case of an emergency. What is that? To call a police, number 100 should be used. To call fire brigade, number 101 should be used. To call an ambulance, 102, and nowadays 108 is also available to call an ambulance or 108 vehicle. Okay. Now comes to means of communication. What is that? Communicate. Like I am communicating, your teacher is communicating lesson 13 to you orally, verbally. This is called communication from me, your teacher, to you. This is called communication. We speak, write, use sign or sound to share ideas and information with each other. This is one way of communication. I am telling you, I am explaining you. This is one way of communication. Writing is also one way of communication. Making sign, sound, making sign, use sign language. That is also means of communication. Yes, these are means of communication. See, one example given in the yellow box. Traffic police is showing signal, giving signal that vehicle should stop or go. That is also one way of communicating to manage the passengers. Okay, the boy is writing something. This is also one way of giving communication, showing communication. We also communicate through message. Nowadays, mobile phone, sending WhatsApp, that is also communication. Yes, a message may be written or spoken. If you talk in mobile phone or telephone, that is also one way of communication. We can send written messages through letter. That is olden method. Nowadays nobody is writing letter. Urgent written message can be sent through fax or email. This is used mostly now. So, sending email, sending fax message, sending WhatsApp message, all these things. These all are means of communication. This is communicating system. Now comes to page number 77. We can talk and listen to person over a telephone, mobile phone, all these are means which are used to communicate our message. It is quickest means of communication. We use a land phone or mobile phone to communicate. We can even send written message through mobile phone. Now even a small child can know how to send message through WhatsApp. These all are means of communication. So this is all about this chapter. Hope you have understand. You have to read again this chapter, then only you can understand how to attempt questions. Now in these chapters, many new words are such that spelling is needed. Without spelling you cannot attempt any questions. You cannot understand if you write correctly also. If the spelling is mistake, then you will not get any marks. So let's do practice. I have written on the boards the new words which are in this chapter. First, rickshaw, means of land transport, R-I-C-K, rick, S-H-A-W, rickshaw. Diesel, which is used to move a vehicle, diesel, petrol, D-I-E-S-E-L, diesel. Engine, most of the vehicle are having engine. What is the spelling? E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. Now, person who board a vehicle for passenger. What is the spelling? P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R, passenger. And submarines, the vehicle which move under the water is called submarine, and it is mostly used by soldier. Yes, submarine, M-A-R-I-N-E, marine, submarine. Aeroplane, that you know, spelling you have to learn. A-E-R-O, arrow, like this way you will learn. P-L-A-N-E, plane. A-E-R-O, arrow, P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane. Helicopter, again, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, copter, helicopter. Yes, next, soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R, soldier. Yes, ambulance. bamboo, A-M-B, bamboo, lens, L-A-N-C-E, lens, bamboo lens. Communication, big spelling, so break it and learn. C-O-M-M-U, communication, N-I-C-A-T-I-O-N, communication. Like this way you break and learn. That will be easier for you. Argent, U-R-G-E-N-T, argent. Then information. I am in, F-O-R, for nation, M-A-T-I-O-N, nation, information. Message, M-E-S, message, S-S-A-G-E, message. Hot, H-O-T, hot, A-I-R-L, balloon, B-A-L-L-O-W-N. So children, watch this video. Do practice of this reading also and spelling also for attempting all the questions correctly. Clear?